India is one of the world's richest biodiversity hotspots. This breathtakingly beautiful biodiversity includes Himalayan forests, alpine meadows, coastal ecosystems, cold desert, and many more. And this biodiversity is the home of many endangered and iconic species. In a journey of a lifetime, beneath this extraordinary biodiversity, the astonishing features of Nikon Z8 were the key to capture those incredible animals.
Now we are here in the jungles of Eastern Himalayas. There is a red panda, elusive red panda, and we are trying to get that with my 180-600. Still far away, so I am using the high-res zoom function. Even under these extreme snowfalls, the autofocus of Z8 is working like a charm. There is a stick laughing thrush. I am trying to get it with my bird-eye autofocus.
Surprisingly, this advanced bird-eye autofocus algorithm of Nikon Z8 can track even the smaller birds. Now let's talk about another futuristic and one-of-a-kind feature of Nikon Z8, auto capture. It can be used both for image and video. Auto capture can also click and record very shy and very fast-moving birds so easily, which would have been impossible without this feature. Capturing butterflies in flight is always difficult. But now it is very easy with the pre-release capture of Nikon Z8. These phenomenal features of Nikon Z8 give wildlife photographers the grip to hold the time and freeze those immortal moments of nature. With Nikon Z8, anything is possible.